Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So here, as you can see, we are having a nested for loop and then we are printing x and y. So you might have thought the correct output is first 1 and 4 5 6 and then the loop ends. Well, that's not the case here. We actually got 1 4 1 5 1 6 till 3 6. Well, why that happened, let me explain. So this is the code and here, this is quite easy. First, when this loop runs for the first time, we have the element 1 as x and this is y. Now this loop will run 4 5 6. X is holding the value of 1. So firstly we will get 1 4, then 1 5, then 1 6. Similarly, when you have 2 here, again this will run, but x have the value of 2 now. So 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. And finally we have 3 here. This run for the third time and x have the value of 3. So we will get 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. And that's how this code is executed and we got this output.